Hello, and welcome to CH House of Quality Solutions and Consulting. I'm Cassandra Harbour, Quality Management Systems expert and founder of CH House of Quality. With over 15 years of experience building, repairing, and managing quality systems for some of the most respected companies in life science and manufacturing industries, I know firsthand the challenges businesses face in delivering consistent, high-quality products to their customers. How do you currently manage quality in your business? Are you facing an ISO certification deadline? A dated document control system? Challenge with FDA remediation findings? Is your quality system truly supporting your goals, or is it holding you back? Well, you're not alone. At CH House of Quality, we specialize in designing, optimizing, and right-sizing ISO and FDA-ready quality management systems tailored to your unique business needs. Whether you're looking to pass an audit, create a new quality system, upgrade an existing one, or simply demystify the quality and regulatory processes, we're here to help you achieve the results you're striving for. Here, you'll find the latest tips, best practices, and advanced tools to support your FDA strategy, ISO certification, QMS implementation needs, and more. We're committed to helping reducing the cost of poor quality, boost customer satisfaction, and support your journey to operational excellence. If you're ready to address your quality system struggles and take your business to the next level, let's connect. Explore our website to learn more about our services, expertise, and how we can partner for your success. Thank you for visiting CH House of Quality Solutions and Consulting. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for the latest updates. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And don't hesitate to reach out through the contact information available on our website. Your path to quality excellence starts here. Quality made simple. Thank you.